This is video 2. So let's sign in with the account that we just created. We log in here. Then we can sign out from here. Sorry, not this one. When we click on the edit info button, we can see the information over here. And we can choose to sign out over here. From that page too, we can also go click on the back button that goes back here to the main page. And then when we see over here, this portion doesn't show the birthday. That's what this key before we add it. So when there isn't any birthday, it doesn't display anything. So this is video 2.